And in to start things out here in the home half of the fifth. And you get the sense, Steve, that this crowd's been pretty well taken out of the ballgame to this point.
Yeah, they've pretty much had to sit on their hands all afternoon. Not a lot to get excited about so far. And I think that's a credit to that man out there on the mound.
Meanwhile now, this is a drive out to straightaway right field. And it's going to get out of here. A home run. A solo shot here to straightaway right field. And the Cubs are back to even now at 1 run apiece.
What's going on YouTube? It is your man Mr. Lux, aka the Mary Gamer, and I'm back with another MLB 14 The Show player lock. And this player lock is a special one because it's celebrating the life and legacy of Mr. Cub Ernie Banks. If you follow baseball and if you're one of those purists, you know that Mr. Banks unfortunately passed on January 23rd of this year. But, you know, I had to put this player lock out because, you know, a lot of people may not really know about Mr. Ernie Banks. I mean, he's definitely one of those icons in baseball history, but I decided to do this player lock just so that I can give you some background on him and help you learn more about him. So let's go ahead and start with this gameplay. This is top of the first. We went ahead in the batting order 2-0, and Mr. Banks, nice slicer down the third base line for a single. Nice.
And they'll stop the runner at second base, but there are 2 on and 2 out now.
Well, that's got to be encouraging.
All right, well, so most of you who probably follow baseball may have heard the news that Mr. Banks passed away on January 23rd of this year. He was born in Dallas, Texas in 1931 on January 31st, so which ironically he would have been 84 years old as of yesterday. So, you know, it's just crazy sometimes how life works out with timing of, you know, certain events in your life. But let me give you some career information on him. Well, first of all, Mr. Banks was also one of those players that is rare in today's game of baseball, where he stayed with the same team for his entire major league career. He's played 18 years for the Chicago Cubs. He was inducted into the Major League Hall of Fame in 1977. Some cool stuff about him, which I found interesting, was a nice throw. Way to get him. He also played, you know, he's playing shortstop here, but he also played a little bit of first base in his career as well. So he kind of played first base and a little bit and shortstop as well. So he was one of those, you know, dual position type of players. In 1954, I found this fascinating. He came in second for Rookie of the Year. And you may be wondering, well, why you find that fascinating, Lux? Well, you have to, ooh, nice double play. You have to consider the time. 1954, not really a favorable year for players of color. So there was still a lot of racial injustice in the game of baseball. So for him to even come in second is really a testament to the skill and the play ability that Mr. Banks had. So he probably should have won it, but you know, we'll leave that for another day and another time. He was 11-time All-Star. That was a good hit for those guys. Dang, they scored like 3 or 4 runs that time. 3 runs that time. Wow. He was an 11-time All-Star, a 2-time National League MVP. But I think probably what he's probably more popular. Look at this play. Come on, come on. Nice, nice way to turn 2 on your own, Ernie Banks. Yeah, so one of the things that he's really probably more popularly known for is he is a member of the 500 home run club. He finished his career with 512 home runs, so that's something no one can take away from him, and you know, that's quite an achievement in itself. Mr. Banks, he was a great ambassador for the game of baseball, to be honest. I mean, you know, he supports the game that he grew up loving as a child, and you always seen that whenever he was featured by any Major League Baseball segment. Even in his latter years, he was always full of energy, wearing a Cubs jersey, sticking true to it. So, you know, baseball has suffered a great loss, a great human being. So, but we're just going to keep it moving with his baseball career through video games. So I hope you guys have been enjoying it, as I'm sure Mr. Banks didn't enjoy that pop-up by Gabby Hartnett for out 3. But let's see, we're moving ahead. Oh, look at Dave Winfield, 1 for 1. Should do a player lock on him pretty soon. So his score is 4-1, bottom of the 6th. Man, the Cubs are going to have to put something together here pretty soon. All right, there you go. Mr. Banks fielded. Good. Throw was a little off, but got him out. Good job. All right, here we go. Mr. Ernie Banks, 2 for 3. Not doing too bad. We just need the rest of the team to try to contribute, because we're digging a pretty good hole for ourselves right now. All right, he's thinking about what he can do to get a spark going. Top of the 8th, and we're only down by 1, so the game is actually getting close now.
In tight here with the first pitch fastball that's 1-0.
And that's one thing Ernie was pretty good at, was his plate discipline. So not surprising that he'd try to remain calm during this particular situation.
And this is just off the outside corner, ball 2.
Good eye.
2 really close pitches to kick off this at bat. Normally this guy would be all
right,
over
2-0 count. Man, but it is 2 outs already.
2 good takes.
3 runs, 8 hits, 1 error for the Cubs to this point. 2-0 pitch.
There we go. There we go. Nice. Nice grounder between first and second. All right. All right. It's production. It's production. It's another single.
Oh, yeah, he's
good
got
job.
Magic wand going now. That's it.
Number 15. We'll try again.
Come on, Gabby. You let me down last time. And you're 0 for 3, man. Come on. All right. 3-1 count.
I think this is one of those times.
And here's a big swing as he sends this.
Come on. Come on. Get out of here. Get out of here. Get out of here. Oh, man. Man, I tell you what, that Gabby Hartnett guy did not have a good game. It's mid of the 8th. That may be the game. Let's see. Simmons hit. Ah, crap. We end up losing 6-3. But overall, Ernie Banks did great. He went 3 for 4. Let's see. Yep, he went 3 for 4. So not bad. So I hope you guys enjoyed this player lock, and if you did, as always, don't forget to leave a like, and also check out these other videos that I have on my channel. I have a player lock for Busted Posey, the latest episode of my Road to the Show career, and also a game that I've been spending a lot of time on since September, which is Destiny. Take a look at our first kill of Crota on the hard raid. So we had a lot of fun with that. It was very enjoyable. I'll start mixing in different types of videos on these on the end of my videos, so you can kind of check those out. But again, be on the lookout for more MLB 14 The Show player locks and Road to the Show, as well as some my thoughts on what's coming up for MLB 15 The Show. And as always, it's Mr. Lux, aka the Merry Gamer, and I'm out. Peace.